Hi, this is part 3 of my origin story. Last time we ended with a man picking me up along a deserted stretch of highway in a blue pickup truck and taking me to the hospital. Well, I woke up dazed, confused, and aching all over my body. When I could finally focus, I realized I was in a large room with monitors, scientific equipment, and people in lab coats everywhere. When I tried to get out of bed, one of the doctors standing nearby saw what I was doing and introduced himself as Dr. Hammond. Then started asking questions, a mile a minute. Do you know where you are? And do you remember what happened to you 15 years ago? He didn't give me a chance to answer, so I stopped him and said, I've been here for 15 years? Right then, fear overwhelmed me and I said, I need to get out of here, now! There are people looking for me. They're probably worried sick, and they may even think I'm dead. I need to call them. I need to tell them. I tried to get out of bed, but my legs felt like they had weights on them. I pulled back the covers, and my legs were strapped to the bed with metal restraints, which frightened me even more. More nurses ran into the room. One tried to sedate me, but the needle she used broke against my skin. Dr. Hammond yelled, "Hit the alarm!" When they did, the room was filled with military security in full tactical body armor, with guns pointed at me, yelling at everyone to move away, move away. When I heard that, I stopped and looked at the soldiers, like a deer in the headlights. A few moments passed, and Nurse Penelope walked into the room, sat on the edge of the bed, and told the guards to stand down. Still shocked by the response and very much afraid to move, I looked over at her and said, "Since when do doctors shoot patients?" To which she replied, "When the patient comes from another planet."